Hello student. Next example, find edge connectivity and vertex connectivity of the following graph. Here you can see that when we delete these two edges, you can get disconnected graph, and when we delete this vertex, you will get disconnected graph. So edge connectivity is 2 and vertex connectivity is 1. For vertex, this vertex we can delete, and for edges, this edges we can delete. So edge connectivity means lambda of g is equal to 2, and vertex connectivity k of g is equal to 1. Now next example, find the vertex connectivity and edge connectivity of the complete graph Kn. If we take K4, you can see that K4 look like this, means complete graph. Complete graph means every vertex has remaining edges to the all other vertex. So for complete graph, for K4, if we can delete these 3 edges, we get disconnected graph. And for vertex, you can delete this number of vertex, you can get disconnected graph. So for Kn, it is similar as K4. For K4, vertex connectivity is 3 and edge connectivity is 3, means 4 minus 1. So for Kn, edge connectivity is n minus 1 and vertex connectivity is n minus 1. So solution for this example is cut set of edges is set of minimum edges requires to delete for disconnect graph. Each pair of vertices of complete graph is adjacent, hence to disconnect the graph or to have isolated vertex we require to delete n minus 1 vertices. Vertex we require to delete n minus 1 vertices. Therefore, vertex connectivity of Kn is n minus 1. Similarly, edge connectivity of Kn is n minus 1. Now, next point is, just a minute guys. Minimal degree of graph. Let G be a connected graph. Degree of minimum degree vertex of graph G is called as minimal degree of graph G. मीन्स सगळ्या व्हर्टेक्सची डिग्री फाइंड आउट केल्यानंतर त्याच्यामधला मिनिमम नंबर जो आपण घेऊ ते काय असेल, मिनिमल डिग्री ऑफ ग्राफ जी. नोटेशन फॉर मिनिमल डिग्री ऑफ ग्राफ इज डेल्टा ऑफ जी. दिस इज दी स्मॉल डेल्टा. Delta of G is equal to degree of graph G. For example, consider this graph first. we have to find degree of each vertex. So degree of V1 is equal to 2, degree of V2 is equal to 2, degree of V3 is equal to 3, degree of V4 is equal to 1, degree of V5 is equal to 1, degree of V6 is equal to 1, and degree of V7 is equal to 4. Therefore, minimum of these degrees 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 4. Minimum of these is equal to 1. So, degree of graph G is equal to 1. Means minimal degree of graph G is equal to 1. Next, example, find vertex connectivity, edge connectivity, minimum degree of following graph G. This graph, you can see that if we can delete these two vertex, you will get disconnected graph. And for edges, you can see that these three edges, if we delete, we will get disconnected graph. So, vertex connectivity is 2 and edge connectivity is 3 for vertex connectivity and for edge connectivity. So, vertex connectivity is equal to 2 and edge connectivity means lambda of G is equal to 3. And for minimum degree of the graph, first we compute degree of each vertex. Here you can see that this vertex has 3 degree, 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 this vertex has 4 degree, this vertex has 4 degree, this vertex has 3 degree and this vertex has 3 degree. So minimum of these degrees is equal to 3 because degree of each vertex is in between 4 and 3. So minimum of 4 and 3 is 3. So delta of G, minimal degree of graph G is equal to 3. Next, some statements of theorem. First, a graph G is disconnected if and only if its vertex set V can be partitioned into two non-empty disjoint subsets V1 and V2 such that there is no edge in G having one end vertex in V1 and other in V2. Next theorem, an edge E of connected graph G is an isthmus if and only if E is not contained in any circuit of G. Next theorem, the maximum number of edges in a simple graph with n vertices and k components is n minus k into n minus k plus 1 upon 2. Next theorem, let G is connected graph and U be a vertex of G, then U is cut vertex of G if and only if there exist vertices V and W other than U such that every V minus W path contains U. Next theorem, let G is non-trivial connected graph with at least two vertices, then there are at least two vertices of G which are not cut vertices. Next theorem, a graph G is connected if and only for every pair of distinct vertices U and V there exist path in between them. Next theorem, if G is any graph, every UV walk contains a UV path. This statement is useful for your online exams. If I'll get some time, then I will explain these theorems. Now, here we can stop.